Dylan here. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm here with Emily. Hey. And we're gonna go on the trampoline. First video on the trampoline. Let's go. Let's do this. Let me put it on.
I'm the guard.
Let's go. Oh my god. Yeah. Ah, don't push me. Come on, guys. Don't jump yet. Oh yeah. So this is the trampoline. Check it out.
Yeah. Hey, I'm going. Oh yeah.
Oh, you okay?
You okay?
Oh crap. So this is a trampoline here. I got this last year or something. I don't know, but this is a
jumping
here. Last year it just blew. It just almost blew away. Stuck on the trees. It's a little bent, a little bit on like the sides. I don't know idea. So yeah, that's all.
Because you're not.
Now let's just jump it. This is not hard before. Oh yeah, so like this is the back of the house. We also have a deck. We also have a deck there. We'll go on there in a second. Also, I'll just jump. Whee! LOL. Ow! I hurt my neck. Ow! Sorry guys, I didn't even control it for a second then.
Okay, can I hold the camera right now?
Yeah. Can you jump? You can just be in there. Yeah, so guys, Emily's gonna like hold the camera a little bit, then I'm gonna take it. Snap, guys!
Holy crap!
Holy crap!
What the hell?
Sorry guys about that. Ah, yeah! Oh, this is awesome!
Hey, look at all
Oh, man. Okay. Whew.
Hey, Emily, should we show them your
Alright, back to Dylan's camera. Okay, guys, I'm back.
Dylan, Mom, man!
Oh, crap! So, dude, I wish I could like jump this high, dude. I mean, I jump. I'm doing it. Ow! I did a good job.
I'm jumping, guys.
So, guys, you can see me. I got like some new glasses. You just touched my butt cheek. Get out of here! Oh. The daisies. Yep. Stop. Whoa! I got also do a front foot, but I don't want to do it. Hey, can you like record me doing a front foot? Woo!
I hurt my leg.
All right, put the camera on me. Hey guys. Okay.
This is the closest thing I got for a foot.
I kind of broke my leg.
Can I do the front row too?
Yeah, sure, why not? Dude, you almost kicked me there, Victoria. What the heck?
You got me shit.
Okay.
You're not even a fly.
Oh crap. So guys, that is it for this video. Now we're gonna go inside and show you a fidget spinner.
In a minute.
Yeah.
You know, guys, we're gonna play badminton.
Yeah. We are gonna play badminton in the next video. In the next video. Right? So now we are gonna go inside and see a fidget spinner.
Not yet.
Okay.
Guys,
Yeah.
I want to show you what happens when I jump too much. I go like this and go.
Yep. So now.
She got baby.
Wait, should we show you a fidget spinner now? Should we show
Guys,
them
we play badminton.
No, yeah, show you a fidget spinner now.
Okay, let's play Batman. I'm coming to girl.
I mean badminton. No, it's that.
Okay,
So-
I'm the girl.
Hey, we should show them your fidget spinner.
Okay.
We should show them your fidget spinner.
No.
In the next video. So guys, I'll be right back. So guys, I'm gonna like show you something inside the house because now Emily has a fidget spinner.
Yeah.
Now she bringing her fidget spinner now. So we're gonna show you that right now. So let's go. By the way, guys, if you guys don't see our house tour, check it out. Check it out. Check it out. So we're gonna go in the guest room, which is in there. And then we were doing some Five Nights at Freddy's stuff. And these are our fidget spinner stuff.
Yo!
So, this is Emily's fidget spinner.
Nice and pink.
This is pink, check it out. And then I spin it. She got this at Walmart, bought by Sam's Club. So yeah.
And there's the last one.
Yep. Last one at Walmart.
My heart's beating so fast, guys.
So guys, that is going to be it for today's video.
Subscribe, hit the notification button,
Check the box, save, leave a like if you enjoy. And
goodbye.
And we'll see you guys
In the Batman.
in the next video that we're gonna play Batman. See you guys later.